touched on Italian soil for the very first time. As always, I've got a big band tee and some leggings, and of course, my Nikes. But yeah, this is the room. It's got everything that I need. We've got a big king-size bed. I saw that I have a gift from Fendi. So let's do a little unboxing. They also gave me this really cute bouquet of flowers. Let's see what's inside. So over here we've got an envelope. Oh, okay. This is definitely gonna be needed. We've got a Fendi fan. It is 95 degrees here. It is hot. Here's the little label explaining what collection. As you can see, fall, winter. And inside there is a smaller little Fendi bag. Oh my god. Okay, and here is a little wallet. Oh my gosh. This is a lot to process right now. Okay, so I've got a little wallet. I think this is like a smooth leather in this nude color. And bam, when you open it, there is a flash of Kelly green inside. And then there's like a little keychain here where you can hook it onto your purse for extra security. Holy cow. Oh my god. Wow. So it is currently 6:06. I actually have a video to film. I wanted to do my June favorites. I think this room is gonna be good for it though. I brought my little mic and I definitely wanna explore a little before the sun goes down. So I'm trying to figure out how I can do all of this. I'm thinking maybe I could just do the favorites at night, because I definitely want to go outside and explore, because I only have today and tomorrow for my entire Rome experience. As I promised, I was going to show you guys what I packed for a 2-day stay. First up, we've got my jewelry bag. I brought my blue wig just in case I wanted to wear it. You never know. Got 2 pairs of shoes. We've got a red pair, these heels that are going to be for the evening. So these are kind of like a sportier feel. They're like the coolest slingback I've ever seen personally. We've got all my makeup in this case over here. I got my pair of PJs that I got from Morocco. This is made from the softest material ever. If all my clothes could feel like this, that would be a dream. So I've got my PJ set. I've got a hair curler, which probably won't work here, but honestly, I curled my hair before I left, and I'm really hoping that these curls stay until tomorrow. I did bring dry shampoo, so cross my fingers that that's gonna work. 1 pair of sunglasses, which is very modest for me. Normally I bring like 6, but I thought that these classic black ones would suffice. I like to get really in there when I do my makeup, so this really comes in handy. I brought 4 pairs of underwear and 2 pairs of socks. For the outfits, I have this little floral set from Hutch. I brought 2 purses. This one is for the daytime. By the way, all the Fendi pieces are alone. I'm gonna have to return them right after. I think this is how the fashion shows work. This is another white purse from Fendi with a bunch of crystals on it. This is the outfit that I'm gonna have to wear tomorrow. It's this patterned blouse with these navy trousers. I'm definitely gonna need to iron these before I strut around in them tomorrow. This is my evening outfit for the show. This one you guys haven't seen, but it's just like this nude dress with these gorgeous pleats. And then my final outfit for myself that I might just wear around the city is just, you know, the Dreamer dress by Eggy. This is unfortunately sold out, but we are planning on restocking, so I will let you guys know. So now that I've shown you guys everything, I'm gonna hang up everything in the closet. This is my little routine when I get into a hotel room. I just like to put away everything, have everything in its right place. I just don't like the feeling of living outside of a suitcase, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. So yeah, I just finished unpacking everything. Everything is hung so I can see everything. I know what to steam. I know what I'm gonna wear. I've got the shoes and purses right over here. Hey guys, I am back in the hotel from my solo exploration. I went to the Spanish Steps. I walked up and down, and I actually met a lovely subscriber. I believe her name was Sonita. So we said hello, we took a picture, and then she actually helped me get these photos, so that was really nice. She was on vacation with her family, so it was so nice to meet you. I got some cash out because I realized that my Kindle, although the features on the new Kindle are fire, the battery actually runs out a lot quicker because it lights up. And in the plane, I guess I had it on auto brightness and it just drained the battery. I'm pretty much almost done with Final Girls. I'm like 72% done. That's why I love thrillers. Like once I start, I literally can't stop. So I actually got this from one of the street vendors. It's just like an external battery charger. And so now I can charge my Kindle. Okay, it works. Yay! Okay, phenomenal. God, Rome is definitely one of the most beautiful cities I have ever been to. It was quite an experience to dine alone in a foreign country. Anywhere I looked in the restaurant, I felt like I was like making eye contact. I felt like it was a really good experience for me because there's really nothing wrong with dining alone. In fact, I found it quite empowering. I think the best move that I did for myself, just to kind of like entertain myself and not like be in complete silence for like 45 minutes, is I just started to listen to a podcast. I'm listening to the TED Radio Hour. I just decided to listen to the one about love and why we love, how we love, especially because Rome is such a romantic city. Like everywhere I go, I'm just like, oh my God, this is so freaking beautiful. It's so romantic. I know I'm doing this face, but I'm like literally so happy right now. This would never happen in an American hotel. He brought little mini pizzas, vegetable rolls, 2 deep fried olives, and ricotta cheese. Why does free food excite me so much? I don't understand. Okay, well, hors d'oeuvres, if you will. I'm a very happy woman. Okay, here is my lunch. I just woke up. I just put on some Friends and it's in Italian. And I feel like I understand what's going on. Just like the gist of it, you know? It's 11:40. I slept for 10 hours and I'm still so exhausted. It's definitely the jet lag. I ordered a seasonal salad and I also got a minestrone soup. I had the craziest dreams last night, guys. I definitely think it's because I was reading Final Girls before I went to bed, but literally, like, I was a survivor of just like this mass murder, or I think like I was also murdering as well. It's really intense. But I remember just like running and just lots of violence, and then I woke up and I was like, what the fuck? Cutting it very, very close. Really went right to the brim. The ironing board has arrived. It's been a long time since I've used an iron. I'm more of a steamer type of gal. But let's give this a whirl, baby. My hair though, I can't believe it's just stayed like this. I'm not even gonna bother plugging in my curling iron because I know it's just gonna be bad news. This is the outfit that I'll be wearing today in 94-degree heat. I'll see how much my face preserves. Just gonna run it through. Alright guys, I've got my outfit on. I am about to head out to the lobby and now we are going to do a little tour of Rome. We are at our second stop. We just finished the tour of the Palazzo Colonna. I'm sorry if I just butchered the pronunciation, but it's just a stunning piece of architecture. It's like pretty much like a museum inside. There's just like art, tapestries, just ornate pieces of everything. And we were able to take some photos and videos there. Just gonna have a little wander around the store. More tiny clothes. Hi, can I order some dinner, please? Can I get the club sandwich? 211. Okay, amazing. Thank you. Bye. Oh my god, the pants are coming off. It was so beautiful. It was so hot. I met so many amazing people. It was a lot. I have exactly 1 hour to eat, to redo my makeup. Do I need to redo my makeup? I mean, I feel like my face is preserved pretty well. I'm about to head out to the show. I've got on this gorgeous nude lace dress with the pleats. I also got my little Fendi heels. Here I've got my purse. I've added the little nano baguette on the side because apparently that's what you're supposed to do. This is like a keychain, not actually a wallet, although you can use it as a wallet. But this is how it's supposed to be arranged. We are off to the show. Let's do this. This is actually unreal. So we just made it to the Temple of Venus. People are really cracking on here. We've got the drinks flowing, we've got hors d'oeuvres. Everyone looks fabulous in their Fendi. And yo, I'm still in love with this fan. This is so clutch, especially for the underarms. I forgot to bring deodorant. So Reese and I just sat down in our seats. The show is about to start, I think. We're excited. I just made it back to my hotel room. Took the bra off, took the pasties off, threw on a big shirt. I am comfortable and I am just in awe of everything that happened today. The collection itself was immaculate. There were 54 looks, which were inspired by Karl Lagerfeld's 54 years at Fendi. And it's kind of crazy how those 54 looks went so quickly, but so much work and craftsmanship went into making of the garments. And I definitely saw like 3 running themes. My girl Jess at Fendi told me them, so I'm gonna regurgitate them to you. But the first theme was the Vienna Session. The second theme was just Roman architecture in general. As you can see, there's just lots of like marbling that you can see in the outerwear and the dresses. You see like the tiles and the window, what are those called? The window tilings in like the poofy gowns especially. It's also inspired by the ruins. I guess that kind of goes into architecture, but the ruins specifically, but how like the nature still kind of flows out in them. And you definitely see it in the clothes. I'm also hella inspired to buy a brand new wig. I want to get that seafoam wig with the bangs that's like down to my shoulders, that's like pinned straight. Like this seafoam look was just like, I just wanted that whole outfit and that makeup and the hair just on my body. I had never ever had the experience to sit front row at like a fashion show ever. Like I'm always like in the corner, in the back, just trying to get my shots, but like still obviously grateful to be there. But this was an experience like none other, and I just want to thank the Fendi team for reaching out to me. I struggle a lot with imposter syndrome, and so when I go to a high pressure event like this, I'm just kind of like, like, do they know that I'm just like a YouTuber? Like I get in my head a lot, and I'm still trying to like break down and unearth why I have so much self-doubt. I definitely tried to catch myself in the moment, especially when I was feeling like just out of place, because I definitely struggle with that. But I met so many welcoming people. I am so happy that I am leaving the city with new friends and experiences. I just need to thank you guys. Seriously, like I would never ever be here if it weren't for you guys, and please know that I do not forget that. And I tried my best to document as much as I could. I'm about to take a shower. Like I can finally wash my hair. Like, can you believe that this is day 3 hair? This hair has been with me since the plane.